Would you like to design a thumbnail like a pro? The good news is that it can be free. So let's dive in. First, you need to remove the background of your photo using Pixlr.com. I put the link to the website in the description. Alright, click on this red icon. Then you need to upload your photo by pressing on this red icon. Then select your photo and press open. And great, the background of your photo is removed. Finally, press on save. Now we are on Canva's homepage. Click on the YouTube thumbnail. Then upload your original and remove background photos to Canva. Now drag your original photo onto this page. Place it in the top left corner. Then click and drag from the bottom right corner of the image to resize it to 1280 by 800 pixels. Now do the same with the photo that has the background removed. Make sure it's placed exactly over the original image so they align perfectly. So great! Next is to add a text. So we press on this text icon, then we press on add a heading. Then we write runner. We increase its size, then we place it somewhere around here. Next is to change its color. We press on text color, we select, for example, coral orange. Next, we want to change its style, we press on FX. Then from styles, we select neon. Then we increase intensity to 100%. After that, we want to change the positions of these layers. So we press on position, we go to layers tab, and we put the layer of the text between these two image layers. And great, we achieved this. Let me see the final output, and well done. If you find this video useful, please consider to subscribe to our channel and like it and share it with your friends. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you next month.